Invideo Tutorial for Beginners, Best Online Video Editor 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Invideo and how you can use this amazing video editing software. So, obviously, first of all, let's discuss what is Invideo. It's a totally web browser based online video editor that brings you the greatest features that there are to use with the greatest themes and templates. And you can obviously come and see all of that on their website, invideo.io. And as you can see, create publish worthy videos in day one. InVideo simplifies everything. It has stock videos, stock photos, stock music, and a whole lot more to discuss. And as you can see, it's really has exciting AI features, and they already have a text to video feature, which is also a pretty good thing to, see. And it's the fastest, easiest way to create pro quality videos, 5,000 plus professionally created templates, single click shortcuts for yourself. And as you can see, it has a very good interface. It's totally beginner friendly, and the AI tools to boost productivity are amazing. And it has all the features you need all in one workflow. And it has a few different pricings that we're going to discuss in a moment. You can record a voiceover and a video, or convert text to speech, add your team and collaborate on your video. InVideo also has a great looking, easy to use dashboard, which we're going to get in a second. So yeah, once we've discussed about that, let's get straight into the pricing. Okay, so here we're going to come to pricing, and once we're in pricing, here you can see lifetime business plan. Lifetime plan for small businesses, educators, and influencers at $399, and you're only billed once. It's a lifetime plan, and you're not going to have to pay them ever again. And here you have the right plans for the right price. You can yearly save 50%, okay? But in monthly, obviously, the free plan is totally free. They have a proper free plan. Like, it's not a trial or anything. It's a proper plan. So that's a good upside to using InVideo. And then secondly, they have the business plan. Okay, this business plan, $30 per month with great features like no watermark on videos, 60 HD video exports, 10 stock iMedia per month, 1 million plus premium media, and 20 background removable per month. Then you have finally the $60, which is the unlimited plan. No watermark on your videos, unlimited HD video exports, 120 iStock medias, 1 million plus premium medias, and 40 removable backgrounds per month. So pretty great stuff, pretty fun stuff to have for your page. And then obviously, it totally depends on you on whatever you want to go with. So just go with whatever suits you best. Now moving on, let's get into the sign up. Okay, now the sign up is really simple and easy. Now, the step I'm going to be doing right now, you don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can just use your own email, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever you use. Okay, now I'm only using a temp mail for myself because, I'm just going to dispose of this. I already have an account on this, so I'm going to dispose of this account later on anyway. So that's why I'm using a temp mail. But again, you don't necessarily need to follow this step. Just go ahead and use your Google. It's much easier. It's much more accessible. It's much more easier to use. So once you've done this and added these things, click on create account. And once you click on create account, again, it brings you to the pricing and everything. And as you can see, you have created an account for yourself. So how do you head straight into InVideo? What you're going to do is you're going to click over here, and here it says what defines your role best. So obviously you're going to go ahead and add anything. Okay, so I'm going to go with the researcher right now and click on continue. Invite team members. If you want to invite team members into your InVideo workspace, you're free to do so. It's totally easy and it's totally accessible, totally free. So you can do that. I'm going to skip it for now. So how did you hear about InVideo? Now, it could be through online ads, YouTube, online course, friend, colleague, etc. I'm going to go with YouTube or online ads. And once you do that, what is your primary goal in using InVideo to create videos? This will help us customize the product experience for you. Now, it could either be making money by creating selling videos, increase engagement with my post content, produce content faster, etc., etc. I'm going to go with the money. And for which platform do you primarily create videos? Now, this is a crucial one because obviously, according to this, it's going to give you templates. Now, if you go with YouTube videos, it's obviously going to give you 1920 by 1080 templates. If you go with YouTube Shorts, it's going to give you 1080 by 1920 templates. If you go with LinkedIn, obviously It's going to give you the same for YouTube videos and then TikTok, website. Obviously, you get the point. So I'm going to go with YouTube videos for now and click on continue. And once you click on continue, here you are. This is your InVideo dashboard, okay? This is where all the fun stuff starts. This is all the actual editing starts, okay? And you know, in your projects, this is my projects where you can see your own projects. This is your trash where you can see anything you deleted. This is your team members section, okay, and all that. So let's just head straight into dashboard and let's discuss the first and foremost feature, the templates that this feature brings you. Okay, let's go ahead and discuss that for ourselves. Okay, now when it comes to templates, you're going to go here and 5,000 plus customizable templates. And trust me, the templates are out of this world. They're totally amazing. They're great to use, and you can get your head behind this really easily and really simply. So, you know, amazing templates. You can hover over the templates to, you know, actually get a preview of how things are. So just hover over them to load them up, and you can actually see how they're going to work. So obviously you're going to wait for them to load up, and yeah, pretty great stuff. And obviously you can choose the different aspect ratio. So let's say I want a landscape video, it's going to give me landscape videos. So how cool is that? Let's say I want a square video, I can switch it to that, and look at that, I get a square video. And it's really epic stuff, really amazing and easy stuff. And you can create content way less time. Okay, so it's really fun stuff. And then you can also have a portrait thing going on, and look at that. So there's a lot of portraits and stuff, and look at that. Once you hover over them, it's going to give you a preview of how the video is actually going to be. You know, pretty great stuff to have for your page. Now let's go ahead with a template. Okay, let's go with something to actually edit. So let's say you're going to click on a template. See, once you click on a template, it's going to bring you here. So motivational quotes, YouTube shorts, etc., etc. So you can go ahead and use this template. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to show you more things. So you can also get templates according to whatever you want. So let's say I'm going to put in real estate, and according to, you know, different real estate things, you're going to get real estate templates. So how cool is that? You know, it gives you a full suite and full variety of the real estate templates, real estate videos, and all that. And let's say you want a shoe video. Okay, so let's go and write special shoe. Okay, let's go and write something like that. And look at that, it's going to give you a shoe template. So let's go with this. This one looks pretty nice. Once you're here with this and you like what you see, you can choose your aspect ratio. It could be landscape, could be square, portrait, whatever you want. I'm going to go with portrait, and I'm going to click on use template. Now once you click on use template, obviously you know, as I stated, you're going to get the whole editor of InVideo, and trust me, the InVideo editor works wonders. It actually is amazing on how many, you know, great features it brings you and how quick it is to actually learn these features. Okay, so here you can get the most of the features like videos, images. This is essentially where you're going to upload videos, where you're going to upload images, and you're going to get music and everything. Okay, and you have text, logo, elements, templates, and, you know, much more. So, you know, pretty easy and basic stuff to have for yourself, and it's just a great thing to run for yourself in video. So yeah, I just recommend using this as much as you could, and all the features that it has. And even on the right hand side, you can see all the elements that are used in the video. So if you want to, you know, quickly edit something, you can just click on this feature, and look at that, it just gives you the option to edit it, and then just double click on whatever you want to edit, and yeah, it's going to allow you to edit. So pretty simple stuff. And then on the right hand side, as you can see, 70%, and change it from sale to off. So let's say 70% sale, and then obviously you can go ahead and decrease the font to fit it in more perfectly. So let's say I'm going to take it down to that. So 70% sale, you know, how cool is that? Really cool stuff to have for your page. Then obviously moving on, this is the templates and editing your video. Let's move over to text to video. Okay, let's actually move over to that stuff. So it says convert your video. You can like easily convert this stuff into a editor format. So Let's go back and let's say I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna go back to my dashboard. And once you're in your dashboard, obviously, let's discuss the AI text to video. And I'm going to click on AI text to video over here, and let's see the different things that it gives us. So once you're in AI text to video, again, you're going to get a lot of great templates. So let's say over here, it says grab attention with your headline. I'm going to go with that. Click on use template. And again, once you go on these options, it's going to give you a vast amount of features that you can use for your page. And let's say you have stuff over here. So first of all, you can ask AI to write your script, which is also pretty good. Like, you can write your script yourself if you want to, but if you ask AI, that's even better. So you can, as you can see, the easiest way to convert your script to an engaging video in minutes, start by entering your script with each new sentence on a new line. The first sentence will automatically become a headline scene, and the remaining sentences will be split into individual scenes. Click on create scenes that you want to generate, okay? Now, you can either generate scenes yourself by, adding lines, or you could just describe the script you want to generate. I want to make a video describing ancient Egypt. Okay, let's say we're describing ancient Egypt. There we go. Ancient Egypt, and I'm going to click on generate. And obviously, it's just going to take a few seconds, and look at that. So, it's created our script about ancient Egypt, and now we're going to go ahead and click on create scenes. Hey, that's too much for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it? Yeah, sure, you can have it rearrange it for you. Okay, and once it automatically rearranges everything, obviously accordingly, it's going to create a proper video. Now, this is a lot of text for just one scene, but obviously that's the reason why they regenerate it. Now look at this. They created a whole video based on ancient Egypt. Now wait, let me, set this text accordingly. Let me go back here, use template. Okay, ask AI to write your script. Write about ancient Egypt. Now we're gonna generate it again. Okay, and once you generate it again, let me show you what happens. Okay, so there we go. So it's created a whole script, and now it's actually line by line. So now we're gonna have different scenes with different photos. So now that we click on create scene, obviously it's gonna take a few seconds because now there's a lot of scenes and a lot of videos and photos to actually be generated. So let's wait for it to actually do that. And as you can see, it's generating your different thumbnails. How cool is that? Look at the speed it's actually doing it, and it's really amazing how quick it actually does everything. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty amazing stuff. And now you can see it's finally opening the project after, creating all the videos and the photos. So let's wait for it to do so for ourselves. And once it does that, obviously I'm going to show you. And yeah, that's basically going to be all for this video. So there you can see it's almost a 3-minute video with different text. So wait, let me just so this is the first scene in ancient Egypt. Pharaohs were believed to be divine. Okay, and we're gonna scroll down. Now they built the massive pyramids as tombs for themselves. Okay, and then we go down. The most famous is the Pyramid of Giza. Then we go down. Egyptians believed in many gods and goddesses, and we keep going down, and as we can see, it creates pictures according to the videos. And again, the Nile River was the lifeblood of ancient Egypt, etc., etc. So you get the whole point, and you get how quick and amazing it is to actually create these things. So yeah, that's about it for Invideo. If you enjoyed this video, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments, and I'll let you know how and when I'll create them. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. That's all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.